Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Nonko Williams' new relationship catches a shade after she posted a video with a partner, and the court of public raised their own opinion on what they call red flags, and they called that out. But you know what makes me happy is that her and her partner, they are not actually paying any attention from these court of public, because yes, the public always have something to say. They always notice all the red flags. If only we can, guys, focus on only the green flags, only the good things. As long as people are happy, I don't think she was going to stay. If the guy was a red flag, I don't think so. She was going to leave if the guy was a red flag. So I don't think there is any need for us to be picking that up and raising that up for her. She knows what she wants and she knows where she is, so we don't really have to get involved. But there are other people that are very happy for her. They actually commented on a video, like just complimenting them because they're a very cute couple. They love posting videos together. They love being together always, even on the public. So I don't think there is any red flag there. I don't see any red flag. I don't know, you guys, what do you think about this whole situation? Do you think the guy is a red flag or nope? Because from now I see a very happy couple, people who are just happy living their lives to the fullest. And there's ones of these red flags, and guys, because the public is always ready to pick on the negative things. They're always ready. That's one thing for sure, and they will pick that up. Guys, what we have to know is that there is no perfect life out there. Nothing is perfect, not even your life. Yes, not even your life is perfect. Everything is just not perfect, and we have to accept that. That's the reality of life.